Good morning, my name is Chulendra Rai. Me and my friends Aditi Mahajan, Suhani Gupta from Jain University. Today we are going to present our IoT based home automation project which we done in Emertxe Technology Internship. Let's go to the contents that we are going to present in this presentation. The first one, what we learn in this internship, introduction, project requirement and demo. So at first, what we learn during the internship? At first, during the beginning of the internship, we learn basic about C programming and on different type of data structures and data representations. We also discuss different level of programming language. What is the difference between low level, middle levels and high level programming language like Python, C and assembly level language. Some of the data structures that we studied was byte, bit and word. We also study about number system. Talking about the data type, we learn basically of whole, float, double, int, char. Not only that, we also learn about difference between C and C++. Talking about the Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a network of physical device, vehicles, home appliances and other items embedded with the sensors and softwares with the connectivity of network that enables them to collect and exchange data. Some of the important or popular IoT devices include smart home devices such as thermostat, security camera, wearables fitness trackers, smartwatches. So let's discuss about the project requirements that we need to do while completing the project. The first one, to code or to dump the code, we use Arduino IDE. For stimulation purposes, we use Pixim Lab. For controlling our cloud server, IoT app. And to configure port of serial remote tank, we use virtual serial port driver. Let's talking about Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is an integrated deployment environment which is an open source software applications used to program and develop code for Arduino board. It is similar to open source electronic platforms used to create variety of interactive electronic projects. So these are the interfaces of Arduino IDE. Talking about Pixim Lab, it is a free and open source PIC simulator and debugger that allow you to stimulate and debug PIC microcontroller program on our computer. It are widely used in embedded systems and can be found in a variety of devices, including home appliance, medical device and many more. And these are the screenshots that we have done in our internship. These are the CLCD with the Arduino IDE. Bringout. Bringout is an Internet of Things platform that allow us to easily create mobile app to control and monitor our IoT devices. So it provides a simple drag and drop interface that allow us to design custom user interface for our IoT devices without any code. So these are the screenshots that we have conducted or taken from our IoT embedded system. Embedded systems typically consist of combinations of both hardware and software, including microprocessor or microcontroller, sensors, actuators, and communication interface. Talking about the hardware, LED, light emitting diode, is also the hardware that we study during the internship. It is a simple device, mostly used in embedded applications and work as a diode. It is a low energy conservation, has a longer life and a smaller size. Some of the applications that use of LED is home lighting and display. The images that we are showing in the PPTs is of LED. CLCD. It is a character liquid crystal display, which is a type of display that is commonly used in embedded devices or systems to provide basic visual feedback to the user. It consists of backlight and a series of character blocks, each of which contain a fixed number of diodes or pixels. Light dependent resistor. A light dependent resistor is a type of sensor that changes its resistance depending on amount of light falling on its surface. So LDR is also known as photoresistors or photocells. So these are the projects that we have done of gardening systems. So this is also the final project that we conducted, the remote control with gardening systems. So whenever the description about this project I am going to discuss by sharing the mobile application. Just wait. So just let me connect it first. Yeah, so I have connected. So these are the screens that I am sharing through my mobile app Power Mirror. So talking about the hardware, talking about the sorry, so okay, so this is CLCD, this is LDR, LED system, sorry, this is temperature systems, and this is Ethernet. So the concept is whenever, okay, first I need to dump the code. Okay, so let's dump the code. So yeah, when I dump the code, yeah, when there is darkness or less light, it will blink. So talking about whenever I click on a cooler button, the temperature systems will rotate, and whenever I off in the mobile application, it is also running. But whenever I click on off, the temperature systems will not rotate or on. So talking about serial remote tank. So talking about serial remote tank, let's tap to the second tab. So here is two buttons, inlet and outlet. So whenever I click on inlet, the button will fill with water, but it's already full. So whenever it's reached to maximum level, that is 3000, it will stop and automatically off. So when I want to outlet the bulb or outlet, the water level will decrease. So this levels is also shown in this CLCD as well as in our mobile app. So this is the basic concepts that we study during our internship. So basically we conducted many basic projects. This is gardening system, temperatures, and home automation system. So I like to thank Emertxe Technology for conducting such internship, giving us opportunity to do an internship and got a chance to know more about the technology, about IoT.